back. Today I'm going to be going out to the beach to get some cinematics of my bike again. I really enjoyed doing it last time. I don't actually know where I'm going right now, so I'm going to pull it up on Google Maps in a minute. However, the sun has been out for a little bit, so if we get lucky, it will come out again. Fingers crossed. I absolutely love short shifting on this bike. It's just so much fun. Oh, I had a nice bike. I have been kind of wanting to swap over to a more comfortable bike, and I've been really wanting to try the CB650R. I think that building there, I thought it was going to be a McDonald's, however I've recently heard it's going to be a Wendy's, which is quite interesting because, I mean, Wendy's in the UK, that's like that's a very like, you know, United States food chain that is, so it's like interesting to see what that brings. Yeah, a little bit of sun's coming out, that's nice. Warm me up a little bit because the air on this is getting quite cold, going 70. I'm trying to get better at rev matching the R7. I think I'm somewhat getting the hang of it. You've got to use quite a lot of throttle though. I want to join all the bikes, but oh my goodness, look, there's tons out. Wow. But yeah, this is quite a different style video for me. I say different, most of it does obviously consist of riding. However, I'm actually going out to a set place, like 45 minutes away, and I've never been too much of a fan of doing that. I've always quite liked, you know, riding about in Norwich. It's a very familiar place to be, which I enjoy. However, the scenery is a bit, what's the word, tame, I guess. There's no place I can, you know, look over the beachfront and get a nice shot of the bike. I'm probably not going to be able to get on the beach with the bike, obviously, but I can probably find a cliff somewhere. Well, not a cliff, just like an edge where I can prop my bike up and get some nice beach shots in the background. I will include some behind the scenes this time. I am only shooting on iPhone again because I don't have a camera. I do have a proper digital camera, however it only does 1080p, so that's not something I'd like to use for my videos. However, modern iPhones are pretty solid in terms of video quality, so see how that goes. One thing I wish I had was cruise control, man. Just take some pressure off my front right wrist because it's not a comfortable position at all. It's nice, it's fun having a big bike, do not get me wrong, yeah, I've got the power. However, like, I'm using 1% of throttle. Is that an MT-09 SP? Oh, it is, it's gorgeous. I want one of them as my next bike, or full A license bike, sorry. However, just behind me now, there is a nice lake running down there actually, and I think next time I might be able to get some shots down there, so I think next video I might pop down there. 20 minutes that one, I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to ache just a little bit on this bike. Red light, I don't mind coming to a stop for a little bit, stretch the back, and my hands and wrists just hurt, man. My neck's okay, a little sore. You know, slow pull aways like that are really satisfying because you can hear the engine more go up the RPM range. I love it. I think I just love this bike. Oh my goodness. I hope the mic kicked that up. Wow. Oh, this is a nasty corner. I feel as if there should certainly be some signs here. Oh my goodness. Gravel as well. And there's a giveaway. What the hell? A giveaway sign there? Alright. Each their own, I guess. Even this around here is quite a nice little spot just to pull over and get some shots. Down here would be beautiful in autumn, I think, with all the leaves coming down. What on earth? This is a junction? What the heck is this? Oh my goodness. There's a death trap. And there's a 60 now? Yeah, no chance. Ah, perfect. This is what I had in mind. Yes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. That is beautiful. Oh, look at all my days. Wow. Look at just the ocean in the background and... Oh, guys, these shots are about to go so hard, man. Look at this, guys. Wow. Even taking down that, I can get it on the beach. I'm not going to do that today because that is just a... Oh, that's a good angle there. I'm getting too excited about this. Oh, let's get the iPhone off the quad lock and get some shots of this location because, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. This is just breathtaking. Wow.
Good looking bike.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. Right, so right now I'm setting up this newer tripod for some of the still shots. This is a very popular one that many YouTubers seem to use. It is a desk tripod, however, it's a very good for shoving in your bag, very compact, and then just popping it down somewhere. That is what I like about it. It's not too high a one, but it's a relatively good one, and I'm happy with it. Thing is, well, I like shooting on iPhone just because it is very easy. Like, if you need to look at a shot, you can just look back straight away. More of a reveal shot of the bike there, say in the bushes, and then kind of come out like this, you know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is the cinematic shot done. I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed filming that. I've got a bunch of videos. I'm well chuffed I came out for this spot here. It was absolutely gorgeous. We're now going to do the ride home. I might stop off to get some petrol somewhere because my bike's pretty low. Damn, I only got E5, no like E10. Nice, dude. 99 octane. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever had 99 in this. I usually have 97 is E10, I think. No, 95 E10, sorry. And sometimes you can get E5 97. So E5 99 is very welcome. That was it. My bike was staying pretty much empty. What the hell? Right, kickstand down, check. God, I've parked close. Get my fat ass off the bike. Hello. Number 3, please. No, I'm alright. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Alright, alright. Bloody Google Maps is just spitting bars. I'm trying to pay and wish her to have a nice evening. Google Maps is like, just turn left onto Churchill Road, whatever it was. Oh, that's kind of funny. But anyway, I think I'm going to say my outro here. It was an absolute pleasure making this video today. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to do these more because I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please always ride safe, ride your gear, ride within your limits, and if you're in a car, please always wear your seatbelt. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a good day or rest of your evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.